Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to show you another custom order project, and this is the Christian fabric book. And she requests for in the white color, so I make this book like so. And this is the frame, is a resin piece, and actually it's a pink color, and I paint it in white color, so it came out like so. And underneath I add the applique. I didn't put more embellishment because I just leave it plain, so yeah, she can decorate by her own. And yeah, I just put a fabric printable here, and some of the words of the Bible. So yeah, for the book I use this lace fabric and make it with the felt, okay, and 2.5 inch by 8 and 5, okay. So like so, I just use this, and this one is removable. It's a pocket fabric pocket, so you can stuff something, anything in this pocket here. So yeah, if you want to glue it together, yeah, also can, but I just leave it like so, removable. Okay, I also have to this flower for decoration. Okay, let me to show you the bowl and all the pictures here. I just print out some of this in the fabric. See, yes, you can use it, or keep, if you're not suitable for the book, you can just keep it. Be strong, be brave, and be fearless. You are never alone. Okay, so just some of the words that I print on the fabric, so you can use onto this book. Okay, like so. It's many different here. Okay, see, if suitable for use to this book, then you can use it. And you can see all the pictures is use this fabric to layer the felt layer with the white fabric and this lace fabric, and also include the doily, like so. Okay, so we have many pages here, different, altogether 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 pages here. So that's all the book. Okay, and this is like so. I can tie this together, because I believe this book will very thick and bulky when you put the embellishment inside. And so the best way is use the lace to tie it up. So that's so. Oh, this drop. Never mind, later I will put back in. Okay, I put aside. And so for the flower, I just put some the color is very pale. Some pink, and ivory, and some to that white color ribbon flower, and to that kind of the color like so. Okay, and to big white flower. So border here first. And also I added some of the tiny dove and this medium-sized dove. So yeah, you can use this also. And some of the bling, the flower center, some doodads. And this one you can use you can see this one. Yeah, you can use the ribbon, and yeah, it's a buckle. So I added some, I think it's 4 pieces here, and some flower and some embroidery. This kind of the button or what. Okay, this one bling here, and all this. Okay, so added some of these. See how you use this into your book. And I also add one of this piece. Yeah, you can add this piece here if you want. You can use this as a crochet, or yeah, see how you decorate this. I use this. Okay, now show you some of the also some cherub, different kind of the pattern, 2 in each pattern here. Yeah, you have many here. Let me show you. A tiny one, different, 2 of each pattern. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern here. Yeah, 2 in each. Okay, okay. And now show you some of the okay, and also one of these recollection paper flower. So see, you can use this to your project. Some apricots, bow. Yeah, this one you got 4, and also have another this big piece here, and so some of these in the white, and this one, and this. You got 2 different one. Right, this one you have 2. Oh, this also have 2. Okay, 2. This, so you can cut it out, or yeah, see how you play with this. And some of the bridal replicate, and some this, and this very long, so you can cut it into small piece. And so this one, and so many here. And this is one of my collection, in my haul. Yeah, and I don't have much, but I want to include this one here. And got this, and this one just now. Yeah, you got 2 of these, and some of these rose. Okay, and some of this big piece, bridal lace piece, apricot, and some of this kind of the beaded lace, and another small piece because I don't have any more. Or this is the last piece, and this another piece of this. So you got two, I believe. Just now I already show you one. Yeah, so you got two, and big big piece. I don't know where that I get this. Maybe it's from friend or I purchased. I already forget it, but this big piece is so beautiful. So anyway, I include this into the kit. Yeah, because this came out beautiful if you layer on the book. It's like a wing. Yeah, it's like a wing. I already forget where did I get this piece. But it's beautiful. It looks like a piece, a wing. So I include all this also. And another the giraffe is Hope, Hope. So I include one set of these for the laces, some white laces, and some beaded. You can see the beads is shining, and some of the beads here. Trim, and this one is the tassel. Yeah, you can cut this string away, so you get the like a tassel slim. Yeah, tassel trim. So, and some tiny beaded trim, and this applique, and some of this very soft lace, and this beaded trim, and this white color beaded trim, and this sequin. Okay, so yeah, all this is the laces, and I also include some of the words applique. This is the hope. No hope. Wish. WISH, wish. Okay, I'm not sure is suitable for this Christian book or a Christmas book. Anyway, I just include this in wish, and also with a hope. Okay, and also with the joy, and also different kind of this embroidery, hope, wish, and joy. So you have different type of this. Okay, so yeah, this is the Christian. Yeah, it's a book. Yeah, fabric book. It's a custom order. Yeah, I really hope she will love the book, how I created, and yeah, and everything I already show here. So I really hope she will like this book, and I also hope you all like this kit. And yeah, if you like this, just give me a big thumbs up, and please leave me a comments and let me know what you all think. And thanks again for everyone for your taking your time to watching, and taking your time to leave me a comments, and also click the thumbs up button. And thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.